Okay, this is a little video on how to grill a hot dog with a Zippo. Okay, so I put this hot dog on a barbecue skewer, okay? Now, let me just see.
Don't do this at home.
Yeah, don't do this at home. I mean, I would, but you know. Yeah. Okay, can everybody see it there? I think so. Crap. They should have made this camera so it wasn't... Okay, there we go. So, you light up your Zippo, and then, yeah, start grilling. Yeah. And it's going to be normal if your Zippo goes out a couple times or something, because this is a hot dog. Ooh, it's doing good this time. Yeah. These are Oscar Mayers, so for best results, use one of them. Okay, you just gotta keep grilling it. Keep grilling it. Try to get it as far in the blue flame as you can. You know, that's when it's the best. See, it's starting to get burnt. And it might taste like Zippo fluid, just a tad bit. Listen, I'm going to close my Zippo for a second, just, you know, so it doesn't overheat. Because if you touch your finger to this, man, that'll kill. Okay. Back to roasting it. Oh, wait till Dad sees this video. This is turning out good. Listen, after you do this, don't touch the chimney of your Zippo. Just don't. It will be very, 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 very hot. And I wouldn't suggest trying this at all. And if you're really, you know, a little kid, you really shouldn't even have a Zippo. And don't take it from your parents, because you're going to burn your hands off. I'm shocked I haven't already. And I'm 14. But, you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. Holy, this turned out really good. Man, I'm going to use up all my fluid doing this. I have to refill it right after this video. Well guys, I'm gonna do the rest on my own. As you can see, it's pretty burnt. It's pretty good. My Zippo is really hot. I'm going to finish this myself and, you know, subscribe, and here's a video on how to roast a hot dog with a Zippo. Peace.